Hello, students! Welcome to English class. Let's make it fun!
Confidence means you believe in yourself.
Say it strong! Confidence! Repeat. Beautiful. Great job. Beautiful.
I dance. You dance.
We dance. Run! Jump! Smile!
What is your name? My name is Bubbly. Nice to meet you.
SUCCESS.
Success. You can do it.
Big, small, opposites. Happy, sad, excited.
Reading makes you smart. Books are magic. Open your mind. Listen carefully. English is rhythm.
Feel the beat.
Yesterday I danced. Yesterday I studied. Yesterday we learned. I will succeed. I will shine.
We will win. Speak loudly. Speak clearly. Believe in yourself. Learn English, shine so bright. Dance and speak with all your might. Learn English, shine so bright. Dance and speak with all your might. English is fun. Dance with us. Join the class.
Never stop dreaming.
Dream big. Dream strong.
Mistakes are okay. Keep trying.
You are amazing. Ready, set, speak English!
If you want to learn English,
Subscribe now! See you next class!